Question 15, we're given this Roman number MMV1 and we're asked to write it in figures. Now let me just go over something. 1, 2, 3. Now we'll leave this out and we'll put 5. Now to do 4, we have to take this symbol V and we put a 1 to the left. Because we've put it to the left, it'll be 5 take away 1, which is 4. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now let's carry on with 6. So it'll be 5 and 1, which is 6. 5 and 1 and 1, which is 7. 5, 1, 1, 1, which is 8. We'll leave 9, and we know 10 is X. Now, to do 9, which is 1 less than 10, we write X and we put 1 to the left. So 1 to the left of X means take that 1 away from X. So that'll be 10 take away 1, which is 9. So now we have 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now one thing you want to remember is L, C, D, and M. L is 50. C is 100, D is 500, and M is 1000. If we look at this number here, we can see that this here is 1000. If we look at this number here, we can see that is 1000. So we have 1000, 2000 so far. And if you look at this V1, and if we look here for V1, it's number 6. So we know this here is 6. So altogether we have 1000, 2000, and 6. So our answer is 2006. It's important that you learn these and these if you can. Question 16. We are told that a person does 1.5 somersaults. And we need to work out how many degrees the person has turned through. Now we know 1 somersault is 1 full circle. Now you should know that in 1 full circle you have 360 degrees. This is one fact you need to learn. This one here is important. So for example, I'm stood here and I'm facing north, and if I turn all the way around back to facing north, I have turned 360 degrees. But with this question, the person turns 1.5 somersaults. So we know 1 circle equals 360 degrees. We need to work out what half a circle is. And what we do, we simply divide 360 by 2. So this is our calculation, 360 divided by 2. Now what we can do is the bus shelter. So what I like to do is write this as 360 divided by 2. Now I know it's raining, And 360 is getting wet, so I build a bus shelter. And I write 360 there. And then the 2 has to go outside. Now the question I ask is, how many 2s are there in 3? There's 1, 2, and remainder 1. And the remainder goes over to the 6. And now the 6 becomes 16. So let me do this another way. So I have 1, 2, 3. How many groups of 2 can I get from 3? So if I put these in a group, I've got 1 and I have remainder 1. So this 1 goes at the top and this remainder goes to the next column. Now I have how many 2s are there in 16? Now it's important you learn your halves and your doubles, but we can do this using the 2 times table. So let's do that over here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many 2s are there in 16? There's 8. Now finally we do how many 2s are there in 0? 0. So our answer is 180 degrees. Now going back to this, half a circle will be 180 degrees. So let's add these 2 numbers here. 360 degrees add 180 degrees. So we're going to add these. 0 add 0 is 0. 6 add 8 is 14. We put the 4 down and we carry the 1 to the next column. 3 add 1 is 4, plus this 1 we've carried over is 5. We know if a person does 1.5 somersaults, they will turn 540 degrees. So we can put that here, 540 degrees.